Are you curious how to use a high-frequency screen to create manufactured sand? Hi, everyone. I'm Chad Colby with the Integrated Equipment Group, and I wanted to share with you a use case where one of our clients rented one of our portable high-frequency screens to prove a concept before he put in a permanent circuit. Now you can follow the red arrows to see where the material flows here in this circuit. But I wanted to get into a little bit more detail. This isn't the most efficient setup. Again, this was just done in temporary because they wanted to see if the concept would work. And the concept was to take a high-frequency screen plant like you see here and take 5/8 material, run it through a VSI crusher, and create a product that they can retail. So when they took delivery of the portable plant, the on-site superintendent said it was impressive. Really quick and easy to set up. The thing he liked the most is, and knew that its importance, was to make sure that screen was at the right angle. You know, high-frequency screens have been around for a long time. At the Integrated Equipment Group, we've kind of specialized in them, and we have a very close partnership with TCI Manufacturing in Walnut, Illinois. And they're the experts in this industry. The challenge that this client has is he had a product that essentially was kind of waste. It was a washed 5/8 rock, as you'll see here in my hand. And, you know, if you've heard people talk about high-frequency screens, there's kind of a little bit of fake news out there. The fact of the matter is, high-frequency screens can handle moisture better than any type of screen on the market, and they can screen at a finer screen media opening than any other screen really in the construction aggregate screen market, period. Now, this system right here, if you've been around them, you may be quick to point out, it's only putting out about 100 ton an hour out the VSI, and that means this screen is really underutilized. This is a 6x18 screen, honestly only operating at about 50%. And because it doesn't have a lot of fines, you saw some material kind of bouncing on the screen a little bit. Now, they're producing FA21 material, and they're going to blend that with some CA6 on site. Now, you can see by that picture, screens are used to make ag lime, make small chips for chipping roads. That 3/8- is where they specialize. At the Integrated Equipment Group, I'm proud to tell you we've got these machines running in various states across the country, Oklahoma, Virginia, kind of everywhere in between, because a lot of people look at them as maybe a temporary solution. Hey, we'll bring it in, we'll run it for 6 months, we'll process some piles of material, and then we'll get it out of here. And quite honestly, a lot of them, they get them on site, understand how to use them, and then guess what? They don't leave. They stay or they buy permanent structures. The relationship that Integrated Equipment Group has with TCI Manufacturing is very important because when you see the material like this that's produced from a high-frequency screen, the next question is, hey, how do I do that here? How do I create that other revenue source that maybe I wouldn't have? This particular location right here, I'm excited to tell you it's been here for a long, long time, and for the last 10 or 15 years, they've just had a waste material that they couldn't retail. And now, thanks to a high-frequency screen, it's another revenue stream, which is really, really impressive. As far as the screen itself goes, getting into a little bit more detail there on the screen, this thing is awesome because it's really, really, truly portable and easy to use and set up. Like the contractor told us, he loved how easy it was. And as you can see here, I'm using the onboard system. It's got a Honda gasoline engine that runs the hydraulics that's utilized to operate the screen and get it into position, as you can see, but also operate those 4 jacks to hook it on your semi, to level it, etc. It works really good. The other thing it's got, too, is they thought about how to help make it quick to set up. They've got that indicator gauge. They've also integrated some advanced electronics so you can operate 3 other conveyors. And you have it as an option to have electrically variable adjusted vibration on the screen itself. Most of our screens have that. A lot of guys just run them at full power anyway. If you've got any questions about a unique application, certainly We at Integrated Equipment Group, we're here to help you, and we've got some pretty good connections with our friends at TCI Manufacturing to use their experience as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video.